Hello everyone, welcome to Student Fund Manager. I am Sardar, and in this video I am going to teach you how to invest money without the risk of losing the capital and as well as to get extra gains. It is called principal protected note. So let's see how it works. So a principal protected note is aimed to protect your investment with potential of high returns. And we can create a principal protected note by combining safe assets with risky assets. So for principal protected notes, what we are actually doing is we are investing some part of our investment in a safe asset which will grow to the value of investment during the tenure, and the rest of the money we are investing in risky assets, uh, and even if they go to nil it doesn't matter because we have allocated the investment in such a way that the safe assets would generate enough income to compensate for the losses incurred by the risky assets. And to calculate how much money you need to put in each of these assets, you need to calculate it on Excel or some spreadsheet. And if you want, you can go to the link given in description and on screen, and you can use our principal protected note calculator to get your results. So now I will be showing you how to calculate the principal protected note allocation on Excel. So in order to calculate PPN, you have to take a few values into consideration, such as the following. So over here you can see the values which we are going to input, and now I'm going to enter the information field for the values which the computer will generate. So this is our results field, and next we are going to enter some formulas, and you can copy them into your own spreadsheet to calculate your results. But first we will be inputting the values in the top four fields. So we are taking 7.5% as a risk-free rate because currently the GSEC bond yields are around 7.58%. And for the next fields, you need to copy the formula that I'm putting in the cells. So the reason I have put a negative before the cell B1 is because if I remove this, then you will get to see a negative value, which is true because in future if we're getting the money, then right now we have to invest. So considering the cash flow, it is a negative cash flow. As a result, the result shown to you is in negative, but I will just put a negative here so that it doesn't look ugly. And for the risky allocation, we are going to deduct the safe allocation from our total investment. So you can see over here we are investing around 7 lakh rupees in our safe allocation, which is either FD or government bonds. And then we are going to put around 3 lakh rupees in risky avenues such as equities, derivatives, etc. So the formula for fixed return will be the opposite of what we have done before. So it is asking for rate and tenure, payment, and then again we are going to put a negative and use this. And for risky, we can see our future value uh, by going for the risky rate, the number of periods, 0, present value is minus 3 lakh rupees. Oh, and also the type will be beginning of the period since we are investing at the beginning, and even over here it will be begin. Yeah, it doesn't make a difference. But anyway, you're supposed to do that. So our total returns is going to be then we will deduct our investment and we get a return which we are actually experiencing from the risky rates only, because the fixed returns are going to be equal to the investment that we have made. So the only returns that we are actually experiencing, or the gains, is from the capital markets or the risky allocation. So to calculate the CAGR, what we'll have to do is type in the rate, then number of periods, payment is 0, then we have our present value of this. Actually it will be negative because we have invested this value, and future value of these two. So we configure that if we invest in this principal protected instrument, then we are going to get a CAGR, or yearly appreciation, of around 8.28%, and we are getting a total profit of 4,88,695 rupees from an investment of 10,000 rupees. So if we calculate the overall gain, then it is, yes, around 48% returns, almost 49 in only 5 years. And apart from this, you can also study more about principal protected notes in our website, which I'll be showing to you right now. So the link to our website will be provided to you in description, and this is our website. And if you go over here, then you can create your own principal protected note by using the calculator that we have made for you, and you can download it from around here. Let it load. So if you click over here, view full size workbook, then you can edit these fields and enter your own amounts and see how this will work out for you. So for example, it is giving around 5% and the rates are only 8%. So how much gains you will be experiencing from this investment. So that brings us to the end of the video about principal protected notes, and I will be sharing more blogs on this later on, and also more videos where I will be showing you the tools that are currently present which you can use to create your own principal protected note. So that's it from my side today, and I will see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.